Depression isn't what most people think it is. Depression isn't just sadness. It's a neurological shift that changes how your brain processes reward, motivation, and even memory. Here's what's actually happening in 3 simple points. 1. The brain's reward system, the part that releases dopamine when you do something enjoyable, becomes underactive. So things you used to love feel like nothing. 2. The prefrontal cortex, which handles decision-making and focus, slows down. That's why even small tasks feel overwhelming. 3. The amygdala, your brain's alarm system, becomes hyperactive. It keeps scanning for threats, making you feel on edge or numb at the same time. Think of it like this. Your brain normally runs on a balanced electrical grid. Depression is like a power outage in the motivation circuits, while the anxiety circuits keep flickering non-stop. Here's your brain bite for today. If you're struggling, don't wait until you feel like doing something to take action. Motivation follows behavior, not the other way around. Start with 1 micro step. Open the curtains, drink a glass of water, text 1 person. Small actions slowly tell your brain that effort is still possible. Depression is treatable, and you are not broken for having it. Follow so you don't miss it. Like this if someone you care about needs to hear it, and share it with them. And comment, what's one small action that's helped you through a hard day?